Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and keep watching more details. Kim Zolciak gets police involved as divorce with Kroy heats up. Kim Zolciak and her divorce from Kroy Biermann have really started to heat up recently. After it looked like Kroy was giving their marriage a second chance, he served the former Real Housewives of Atlanta star with divorce papers over the weekend. He then pulled a stunt that caused Kim to get the police involved in the case. Here is why Kim called the police and what is next for her and Kroy. Kroy Biermann filed for divorce from Kim Zolciak once again, and then he did something that caused his estranged wife to call the police. While they have been battling all year, and this is the second divorce notice, they have kept living together in the same house. Kroy decided to put that to the test, and he locked the former Real Housewives of Atlanta star out of the house and left a soul pillow outside the door for her. Police documents, via Radar Online, said that Kim Zolciak called the police to report a domestic disturbance. She said no one was in danger, but that Kroy had threatened her. She also said she called a locksmith to come and drill into the door to get her into the house. Officers showed up and eventually left the scene around 1 a.m. According to the police, the couple's children were all asleep when the incident occurred. It appears that the couple spoke to the police about their relationship and their constant attempts to one-up each other. The former Real Housewives of Atlanta star claimed that Kroy might have CTE, causing him brain damage from his NFL playing days. Kroy continues to allege that Kim has a gambling addiction that is driving them further and further into debt, and already wiped out their life savings. Kim's own daughter Brielle has even given evidence of her mother's gambling problems. Kroy Biermann and Kim Zolciak have been headed for divorce for most of the year. However, Kroy did an about-face in July and decided to fight for his marriage. There was one problem with the situation. They are still in severe financial problems and they blame each other. For Kroy, it is Kim's reported gambling addiction that caused him to finally throw in the towel. Kroy filed for divorce again on August 23, saying the marriage was irretrievably broken. According to reports, this happened after they had another huge fight, once again about her gambling issues and their money problems. Kroy has sought sole physical and legal custody of their 4 minor children, KJ, Cash, Kaya, and Kane. He also wants alimony and child support. He also asked for the house in his divorce papers. What are your thoughts about Kim Zolciak and Kroy Biermann's most recent incident? Is there any way this entire mess can end peacefully? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Kroy Biermann's divorce has taken a dramatic turn, escalating from a personal matter to one involving law enforcement. As tensions between the couple intensify, Kim has reportedly called the police on multiple occasions, citing escalating disputes and concerns over her safety. Sources close to the situation suggest that the couple's relationship has been deteriorating for some time, with financial pressures and personal differences contributing to the breakdown. The involvement of police has added a new layer of complexity to the divorce proceedings, with both parties now facing public scrutiny. Legal experts note that the presence of law enforcement in a divorce case can complicate matters, potentially affecting custody arrangements, asset division, and the overall timeline of the proceedings. As the situation develops, both Kim and Kroy have remained largely silent on the specifics of the police involvement. However, their legal teams are reportedly in active communication, working to address the issues at hand and move towards a resolution. The public nature of the case has drawn attention from fans and media alike, with many expressing concern for the well-being of the couple's children and the impact of the ongoing drama on their lives. In the coming weeks, it is expected that more details will emerge regarding the police involvement and how it may influence the outcome of Kim and Kroy's divorce. For now, both parties appear focused on navigating the complexities of their separation, while managing the added challenges brought about by law enforcement's involvement. In a dramatic twist to the unfolding saga of Kim Zolciak and Kroy Biermann's divorce, the reality TV star has reportedly called in law enforcement as tensions between the estranged couple escalate. The once glamorous duo, known for their appearances on The Real Housewives of Atlanta and Don't Be Tardy, are now embroiled in a highly publicized split that has taken a contentious turn. Sources close to the situation reveal that Kim Zolciak, 45, reached out to the police following a series of heated exchanges with Kroy, 39. The altercations, which reportedly occurred at their shared residence in Alpharetta, Georgia, have raised concerns about the safety and well-being of both parties involved. While the specifics of the incidents remain unclear, law enforcement officials have confirmed that they responded to a call at the property. "We can confirm that officers were dispatched to the residence following a domestic dispute," said a spokesperson for the Alpharetta Police Department. No arrests were made, and the situation was resolved without incident. However, the involvement of the police has added fuel to the fire of an already volatile divorce proceeding. Legal experts suggest that the introduction of law enforcement could complicate the couple's efforts to reach a settlement, particularly when it comes to matters of custody and property division. "This is a significant development," said family law attorney Jessica Thompson. "When police are called to a domestic situation, it can have serious implications in divorce proceedings, especially if there are allegations of misconduct or threats." The couple, who married in 2011, share 4 children together. Custody arrangements and the division of their assets, including their multi-million-dollar mansion, are expected to be central issues in the ongoing divorce negotiations. As the situation continues to evolve, fans and followers of the couple are left to wonder what the future holds for Kim Zolciak and Kroy. Will they find a way to amicably resolve their differences? Or is this the beginning of a protracted and bitter legal battle? Only time will tell.